Understanding Absolution of Sins, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meaning behind common phrases and expressions. Today, we're exploring a fascinating phrase, absolution of sins. This concept is rich in historical and cultural context, and understanding it can offer insights into many aspects of English literature, movies, and everyday conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the layers behind this intriguing phrase. Absolution of sins refers to the formal release from guilt, obligation, or punishment stemming from wrongdoing. In many religious traditions, especially within Christianity, absolution is a sacrament or ritual through which a person is freed from the penalties associated with their sins. This concept is deeply rooted in the idea of forgiveness and redemption, suggesting that one can be liberated from the moral or spiritual burden of their errors through sincere repentance and, often, through a specific act or ritual of absolution performed by a religious authority. Absolution takes on various forms across different cultures and religions. In Christianity, it is most commonly associated with the sacrament of confession or reconciliation in the Catholic Church, where believers confess their sins to a priest who then pronounces absolution, often accompanied by a penance. In other Christian denominations, the concept of absolution might be less formalized but still plays a significant role in the faith practice. Beyond Christianity, the idea of being absolved from sins can be found in other religious traditions, although the terms and practices may differ. It reflects a universal human desire for forgiveness and the opportunity to start anew, free from past mistakes. When using the phrase, absolution of sins, in English, it's important to understand its religious connotations and the seriousness of the concept. It can be used literally, within discussions about religious practices or theological concepts, or metaphorically, to express a deep sense of relief from guilt or responsibility. Literal use, in many religions, seeking the absolution of sins is a vital aspect of spiritual life. Metaphorical use, after apologizing for the misunderstanding, I felt like I received absolution of sins. We hope this exploration into the meaning of absolution of sins has been enlightening. This phrase offers a window into the complexities of human morality, the longing for forgiveness, and the diverse ways cultures and religions address these universal desires. Whether you're diving into English literature, engaging in conversations, or simply expanding your language skills, understanding such phrases enriches your comprehension and appreciation of the English language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.